Hey everybody, welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. This week we are out on, what trail are we doing?
Top of the world.
Top of the world, okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. This week we are heading out to Top of the World. We are down here with a group from Arizona called the Arizona Westside Wheelers. That's right, Vivian's representing. This is a really cool beginning of the trail so far. I've actually never done it, so this will be a first for me. I do know that the view from the top of the trail is really cool, so we're really excited about that. We got a great view right now of this really cool suspension bridge behind us. I don't know much of the history about it. There is a plaque I guess I could read and tell you a little bit more. But we're excited to be here. Yeah?
Let's go.
We ain't trying to be that perfect on it.
We ready to hit the trail?
Yeah. Let's do it. We're ready to go.
Let's do it. We're ready. What you doing, bud? Are you being naughty?
No.
Okay, let's get in the Jeep.
A lumpy, bumpy trail. I might puke.
That's why we haven't done this trail before, because I knew it was lumpy and bumpy, and I know she doesn't like that.
I just want to go shopping.
Easy boy. Easy boy. Now go fast. Go fast. Whoa, go faster.
The bag's climbing now. It'll go. Crazy.
You don't want him to go back to the hotel anymore?
No. I just want to do jeeping.
Okay.
Well, as per usual, we're 20-30 minutes into the trail and the kids are asleep. All three of them. Got Snail Trail 4x4 pulling up the rear. Good to have him along. He came all the way from Sacramento area to come wheel with us out here in Moab. Well, you guys, we made it to the top. Wasn't that bad of a trail. It's a little bumpy and it has a couple of ledges that were pretty fun to climb. But we made it up to the top here and just look at this view, huh? This is just amazing up here. This is actually the first time I've done this trail, so pretty cool. Oh my gosh, this is freaky.
We are driving to
Okay.
the top of the world. If we're gonna die, we're going down together. We're gonna knock off them with us.
I can't do it.
We're gonna kill Jimmy!
Climbing the tree.
That's what I'm trying to make it up here. But I can't.
I think it's too tall for you, bud.
Please help me. Please push my bum up the
Push your bum?
Yes, it
What's this right here, though? What's that right there?
It's my baby.
Well, that's it for this week, guys. We appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a great trail. We had a lot of fun out here. Can't wait to hit the next trail. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you on the trail.